itself, you have subliminal, you have supraliminal, you have hyperliminal, you have hypnosis, and you have neuro-linguistic programming.
Sure.
NLP. And you have cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, which is like a subset or a branch of NLP, equivalent to psychoanalytics being a branch or a subset of psychodynamics. So I could break them down if you like. So subliminal, subliminal is basically information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. Supraliminal is information that bypasses above the physiological threshold of conscious perception. Hyperliminal is a mixture of both, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold and above the physiological threshold. And then we have hypnosis. Hypnosis,
so they don't have, so they're not in the same
brain
exact
oscillates,
predicament. So they're making these
different
evaluations
brainwaves.